Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to our channel. I'm Tatiana, and today we're going to dive into the sacred practice of smudging. When it comes to smudging, it's not about lighting a stick or lighting a sage bundle and waving it around in the air. It is a practice. It is a meditation. It is connecting you to your spiritual guidance. Today we're going to talk about white sage, so come with me today so that way you'll be prepared for anything that life throws at you. We're going to talk about white sage. And white sage is super popular. Everybody knows about white sage. Not everyone knows the history behind it. White sage has been used by indigenous peoples, the first peoples of this land, for centuries. White sage is used to cleanse because it is powerful. So if you have stagnant energy, if you have heavy energy, sage, that's your number one first stop. That is going to cleanse everything out of your space and out of your personal space. So let's get started and I'll show you how to use it. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to light it and you're going to let it smolder. Okay. I prefer not to blow it out myself. I allow it to go, the fire to go out by itself. Once the fire is out and now you have this beautiful white smoke, whether you pray, whether you read some verses from the Bible, or you just set your intention on what it is you would like to do. First, you're going to move from the corners. I really highly suggest you move from the corners up, going up to down. You also want to make sure before you start, and this is just my preference, to have all your windows and doors open. Whatever this energy is, you want it gone. You want it out of your house. While you're saging, again, I said this is connecting you while you're smudging. It is connecting you with your spiritual guidance. I want you to envision whatever your intention is. So if you're cleansing, if you feel like it's stagnant energy, however you view that stagnant energy, all these little droplets of this stagnant negative energy dropping down and pulling together and moving out of my space, out of my home. You can also, and you should also, while you're doing that, envision and or ask for protection of your home, of your space, whatever you're smudging. Remember, beautiful souls, smudging is a sacred practice between you and spirit. Thank you for joining me today with Original Botanica. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more spiritual guidance and let me know in the comments, which smudge do you prefer? Which one is your favorite and why? And if you're up to sharing, how do you use it? Until next time, y'all, remember to honor your path and embrace your magic. Bye.